Hello, welcome. It's Darren from Investor Income. Thanks for coming to visit the channel again. We are looking today at the pound dollar. I just traded pound dollar today because it was so nice and we've got some lovely price action. I went through this with a member earlier, one of the trades anyway, and then re-entered some more times. So these are the trades we entered, and then we re-entered at the end of the day. It was fantastic. Got a lot of movement, some scalps in. And I did some Nadex trades and I did Forex trades. Majority of Forex, but I did some Nadex scalps. And Nadex scalps actually were a bit risky down the bottom here. But it turned out nicely. As soon as I saw I got some money, I just came out those contracts and just banked some cash because that's what I was in it for down there. It was quite volatile and could have gone the other way. So, but it got a lovely entry point and exited pretty much right at the top. So I got very lucky on the exit as well. So. But they were high probability trades, and that's what we like to do. Nice high probability trades. So we use a system, same system every time, and we have a logic based around it. We will go with the trend and against the trend. As you know, I like deviation from the moving averages, and we trade around those averages in a system that is turned out to be extremely profitable. So it's been developed not by myself, as many of you know. Not many of you, the few that watch the channel. It's not that big. So I've developed over that time, and it just works. So I'm really super excited about the group because, quite honestly, the trading's been, without sounding very sad, it is quite a lonely job, and I do it full time. So I'm super pumped now to get the group going and get some good like-minded people in there who want to make some money, especially during these times. You know, I'm very much aware that people need the money. I'm doing some coaching to be a member of the group, so if you want to join the group, I have to give you some coaching. It doesn't matter your experience. If you know it all, fantastic, that's great. But I can't have people joining the group that don't know the system and the way I trade, because otherwise the trades won't make any sense when I post them in the group. And it will confuse people, and we always need to be on the same page, because with a group of people you get way more opportunities, and sometimes too many opportunities, especially if people are trading the system correctly. But it's great for the newer members to see how it's done and also benefit from those signals when they do come in the group. You can't obviously post all the trades you take because sometimes you don't get the opportunity. But like you can see here, this is the 1 minute, so you can see these trades at the top here spread over an hour basically. So you've got time. So I'll just move that down a bit. Apologies for that. You can see the time at the bottom. So it's spread over about an hour roughly during this time. So there's plenty of time to get into that trade, and new opportunities to get in the bottom here. So this is the benefit. We're staying zoomed out and not focusing too much on the minute movements, but this is fantastic. I came out around here. These trades I came out around here. And there's a reason why that happens, and this was a scalp I did up to the top here, which is fantastic. And just I did mention that to my member live, so that was interesting time to be doing that, because it's the first time I kind of shared the trades. So, and it just took a quick little scalp there, and this one is very nice as well. This one was perfect actually. It came up. It's a nice way to start the day. Who doesn't like making a little bit of money at the very start of the day? That's obviously the London Open, a bit volatile, but did exactly what I thought it was going to do, which is very nice. We always like that. We do get losers, don't get me wrong, okay? You get losers in any system whatsoever, especially if you're not around to monitor the charts or you get too greedy. I always take the money. This one here was extremely greedy. I'm going to fully... What's the term people say? I don't know what they use. Is it fess up? I don't talk street talk, but anyway, if that is street language, I don't know. But I've been on my own too long. So, anyway, we took some trades here, and this one I did get greedy. I took one out at the moving average, but I let the others run. So that was greedy. I would admit that, but I was fairly confident it was going to go down, at least retest this bottom. It's just logic, isn't it? People are going to be looking at these levels, and it's going to be looking down to retest, and everyone's going to be trading that way. I'm telling you, a lot of people got wiped out of their positions today because we trade levels, don't we? Do you remember I was saying yesterday? Trade levels, or day before yesterday. Sorry about yesterday, I didn't get the video out. They trade levels, and those levels get broken, and then people put their stops in, don't they? And then they get broken, and then you can see what happened here. This spike. So I wonder whether anyone thought there was levels placed in around here, you know. So you can see going back, there's a level there, isn't there? It's almost like the banks knew it, wiped everyone out. Everyone went, pull back, get in on it. No, don't get in on it. Don't get in on it because you're going to hit your stops. And let me guess, did you have your stop around the bottom here somewhere? Or maybe, remember you told, give it a bit of room. Don't take the last point, give it a bit of room. Give it a bit of room, you still get wiped out. And then the market stopped. Look at that. Isn't that strange, eh? Just seems to be wiping everyone out with their stops. Wouldn't think that's possible, would you? Anyway, have a good night, day, whenever you're watching this. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe, and all that stuff. I don't think I've said that any times on my videos. I don't know. People say it all the time, so I suppose I should say at the start of a video, shouldn't I? Like and subscribe and all that. But I'm literally just showing my trade. So I hope you enjoy and talk to you soon.